Cannot sleep. So guess where we're going? The vending machine.
Am I supposed to edit this?
Yes, the vending machine. You're supposed to, you know? You're supposed to press vlog. Russian's not here because she's sleeping. She is so good girl.
I thought we were supposed to vlog tomorrow.
It's already, I guess that counts. Okay, see you downstairs.
I don't think we were supposed to vlog now.
We told her, let's vlog outside
Okay, what are you
first to
getting?
the vending machine. And she
You gotta go and they can't. Sorry.
Let's sing 25.
You're gonna show everyone?
Good. Let's not.
Okay, y'all don't know.
That will tell us.
I overheard conversation. Anyways, what drinks do you guys
I want.
What are you getting?
Bro, what did I just press? 29. It's a soya milk. I wanted to press 25. Okay, I guess someone
okay.
is drinking soya.
I take
You
Maggie.
take also.
Yes, okay.
Should I eat Maggie when they know? I look like Teletubbies.
Actually, wait, you're just missing the thing on top. Let's edit.
It's only 7 ringgit.
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah, they said they're gonna add like 1 ringgit to everything, right?
Do the thing.
Wow!
Cut that out.
Yeah, let's just beep, beep, beep,
Future
beep.
Akila.
Beep, beep, beep,
Cut that
beep.
Stop, we're not serious. Okay. Dub it go, dub it go.
Let's see.
Please work.